You can use this stretching routine as soon as you get up in the morning to fully wake your body and start your day on a positive note. You can also use this stretching routine after your workout. Sit comfortably on a flat surface with your feet in front of you, toes pointing towards yourself, and put your hands up in the air. Take a breath and now breathe out and bring your hands down, try to touching your feet without bending the legs. It is okay if you can't, just touch wherever your hand lands. Do this for 10 counts and try to increase your stretch with each count. Next, fold just your left leg touching the knees of the right leg. Don't move your right leg away. Keep it in the same place as before. Try to keep both knees flat on the surface. Again, bring your hands up in the air while coming down. Breathe out and try to touch your right foot with both the hands. If you fall short, don't worry. Place your hand wherever it falls on your leg. Then repeat the process for 10 counts. Try to increase the range of stretch with every count. Repeat the same for left leg ahead of you. For 10 counts, you may feel different level of flexibility in each leg as one is dominant and other is the supporting side of the body. Now spread your legs as wide as possible for you. Keep your toes pointing towards yourself. Then again bring your hands up in the air. Breathe in. Stretch the hands in front of you on the ground for 10 counts, breathing out. Try to increase the stretch with each count. Now keep your legs in the apart position and place your left foot on the knee side of the right leg. Place your right hand on the foot and if not possible, land anywhere on the leg. Your left hand should be above your head pointing toward the right foot. Keep it the same way for the stretch. Then try to stretch right hand and left hand as much as possible for 10 counts. Trying to touch right foot with both hands. You will feel stretch on left side core and right leg hamstring. Keep breathing while doing the stretch. Try to increase the stretch with each count. Repeat for the left side also for 10 counts. Try to keep both knees on the ground. Now join both your feet doing namaste. Grab it with both hands. Bring it near your crotch as much as possible. Keep your elbows on the thighs. Push the thighs down if they arise during the stretch. Now try to touch your head to the toe. Repeat the stretch for 10 counts, breathing out while coming down. Try to increase the stretch with every count. Now sit in Vajrasana, which means place your foot behind you, place your butt on the foot. Sit straight, then bring your left hand in front of you, grab its finger with the right hand and place your right thumb behind the palm of left hand for support. Now stretch the fingers towards you for 10 count. Increase the stretch with every count. You will feel stretch in forearms and biceps. Repeat for the right hand. Now shoulder stretch. Bring your left hand near you. body without bending the elbows. Grab it with the right hand just beside the elbow of left hand. Applying the force from the right hand, stretch your left hand towards you for 10 counts. Try to increase the stretch with each count. You must feel stretch. Repeat for right hand. Now place your right hand on the back like shown. Grab the right hand elbow with left hand. Push your elbow behind your head. Try to stretch the triceps and shoulder for 10 counts. Repeat for the left hand. Hope you like this stretching routine and will use it daily.